Hello students, good morning to all of you. I am Bablu Kumar teaching in Jesus Mary School. I hope you are watching all videos uploaded at YouTube. Today we are discussing about large numbers. This chapter is especially for class 4. So what is number? We have studied about this in previous classes. We write numbers using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. All these are digits and the number from 0 to 9 are one digit numbers. In the same way, from number 10 to 99, these are two digits number because this type of number contains two digits, 100 place digit and 1000 place digit. In the same way, from 100 to 999, all these are three digits number because all these numbers contain three digits, 1 plus digit, 10 plus digit and 100 plus digit. In the same way, other numbers also. So from this, it is concluded that the smallest number of one digit is 0, while the largest number of 1 is 9. In the same way, smallest number of one digit is 10, while the largest number of 2 is 99. The smallest number of 3 digit is 100, while largest number of 3 digit is 999. Now, moving further, we shall study about place value. So what is place value? The place value of a digit is the value of the digit depending upon the place it occupies in the number. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means that 2345. The place value of 5, because 5 is at one place, so you will multiply this digit by 1, so the place value of 5 is 5. In the same way, the place value of 4, it remains at 10 place, so the place value of 4 is 40. In the same way, when you move a little or a little further to the left side of the number, you get 3, which is at 100 place, so the place value of 3 is 300. In the same way, when you move a little bit to left side of the number, you will get the fourth digit, okay, which is 2 at 1000 place, so the place value of 2 is 2000. You can also show the place value of this number by making Hindu Arabic table: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, so on. Okay, you put 1 plus digit here, 10 plus digit should be put here, and the same way other digits also put here. In this way you can get the place value of all the digits. Now what is face value? Face value. The face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself. For example, you have to find the face value of all digits of a number 276. So the face value of 6 is 6. The place value of 7 is, the face value of 7 is 7, and the face value of 2 is 2. Now we are going to solve some questions of exercise. First A. One number. Write the place and face value of the colored digits. As we know that 2 is here colored digit, so the place value of 2 is 2 into 100 is equal to 200, because 2 is at 100 place, so the place value of 1 tens 100, 200. Now face value. The face value of 2 is 2. See the second question. 3105. Since 5 is colored digit and 5 is at one place, so the face value of 5 is 5, while place value of 5 is 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Question number second. Write the numbers in expanded form. Now the number is 173. If we digit the place, if we see the place of the digit, 3 is at one place, 7 is at 100 place, and 1 is at 7 is at 10 place and 1 is at 100 place. So the expanded form of this number is 100 plus 70 plus 3. 1 into 100, 7 into 10, and 3 into 1 is equal to 100 plus 70 plus 3. In the same way, question number B, 5397. 5 is at 1000 place, so 5 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 7 is equal to 5000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 7. Write the number that comes before. You have to write one less than the given number. For example, what numbers come before 191? So it is absolutely 190 comes before 191. In the same way, 398 comes before 399. Let us see some more questions of this exercise. Question number 4. Write the number that comes after. So what numbers come after 189? It is absolutely known that 190 comes after 189. In the same way, 432 comes after 431. Now question number 5. Make the greatest and smallest number using all the digits without repetition. You should not repeat any digits. You should not repeat any digit while making greatest or smallest number. So the digits are 1, 4, 0, 3. So what will be the greatest number using this digit without repetition? So the greatest number of using this digits is 4310. In the same way, the smallest number using these digits is 1034. In the same way, the B number question 4, 8, 1, these are digits. So we have to write greatest number. Greatest number is equal to 841 and the smallest number is 148. Compare and fill in the blanks with greater, smaller or equal. Number 1, 709 and 790. As we know that 790 is greater than 700 now, so we will put the greater sign. Write the following numbers in ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means you have to write all the numbers in increasing way. This descending order means you have to write all the numbers from receding way. It means that in ascending order you have to write, you will start from small numbers and then at the end of the number and the end of the order you will write the largest number. In the same way, descending order you have to write, okay, yeah, you will start writing beginning, you will start writing with greatest number and ends with smallest number of the order of the number groups. State in the, just look, 7 number 190, 286, 910, 523. In order to write in ascending order, you just see which number is smaller, which number is smallest in the given numbers of group. So 190 is smallest, so 190, after that 286, 523 and 910. In the same way, if you have to write all these numbers in descending order, you first write the greatest number of the from the number groups. So 910 is the greatest, then after 523, 286 and then after 190 which is the smallest number of the number of groups. Now see 8 number, state whether true or false. Correct the state if it is false. Number 1, place value of 9 in 9745. As we know that 9 is at 100 place, so the place value of 9 is not 900. The place value of 9 is 9000. In the same way, largest 4-digit number is 1000. No, it is false. Largest 4-digit number is not 1000. It is 9999. 1000 is smallest 4-digit number. Now, fill in the blanks. The dash 3-digit number 999. As you know that 999 is the largest, greatest 3-digit number. B, dash is the smallest 4-digit number. As we know that 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. So this much is enough for today. Okay, in the next session of video we will talk about exercise 1B. So thank you for watching, and there are some homework you have to complete. Homework must be done, so complete exercise 1A in your notebook. Note down in your copy, write down in your copy. You have to complete exercise 1A. Thank you.